Okay, so this is a 2x2 tutorial on how to do it blindfolded, and yeah. So the first thing you need to know is the letters, and what you do is you do this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. So yeah, that's all the letters, and you can, start practicing, like doing it. If someone just points out a piece and you like guess the letter if you're right. That's kind of a fun game to remember the letters. But yeah, so basically, if you want to solve this, this is the buffer piece, which means this will swap with this. Sorry, I just paused the video so I can remember. This piece swaps with this piece using the swapping algorithm, which goes like this: R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, F. Wait, what the heck? I did that wrong. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It goes like this: R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, F, R. Sorry, I think one of them I did the wrong thing. I think I said F instead of F prime. But yeah, you can see that this swap with this. So if we do that again, so yeah, see? So the next thing you want to do is, let's just mix this up like a bit. So just do this mix. U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R, U. So right here we look at the buffer, which is, let's just go down here, which is red, and see where it needs to go. It needs to go here, and that is the letter. Well, actually, guess what the letter is, okay? I'll give you at least 10 seconds to guess. Okay, so that is actually I. So yeah. Next, we look where this needs to go, and that needs to go here. Now, guess what letter this is? It's J. Now, let's look where this needs to go. It needs to go here, and that is the letter B. And once you solve these three pieces, we don't matter about this. So once we've done solve these three pieces except for the buffer, then we know that we're done. So yeah. So, well, yeah, anyway, so we're gonna, remember those letters I, J, B. Next, what we're gonna do is we have to get those letters down to this spot. So first we're gonna start with I, and we're gonna do some setup moves. So I needs to go down here. We can do that like this: F prime. Well, actually, do notice that you only have to use F and F primes, R prime, R's, D's and D primes. Not any B's, U's or L's, because that, involves the buffer getting moved. So we're going to do F, R prime, and that gets it down here. See, this is I, and it gets it down here. Then we're going to do the swapping algorithm. And then we're going to undo those moves. Next, we've got J, and notice that it's changed. It doesn't matter. So we need to bring J down to there, and you can just do that by doing R prime. Then do the swapping algorithm, and then just undo that. And finally is B, which is right here. And we could get that down here by just doing a R2. And let's do that algorithm again. And then we can just undo that R2. So yeah, it is actually a lot easier than you think it is. Let's do an example solve. Now, there are a few cases you can get like this. Now, these are things called cycles, but I just invented my own way of doing this, and basically there are 5 different cases you can get. So if you get this case where they just flip like this, so they're in the right place, but they're just corner twisted like this. So then you have to do it F2, swapping algorithm, and then undo that F2. Now rotate it 2 times, and you have to do a JPerm. If you don't know what a JPerm is, then this is the algorithm. R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime. It is a really fast algorithm. Now if you get this, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do F2, swapping algorithm, undo that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do F, which is right here. So we're actually going to do letters. So we know this has to go there. So we're just going to bring that there. Swapping algorithm, undo those setup moves, and yeah. This is the next case, and basically like they're consisted again. Now to do this, basically we're going to do it like this is C. So we need this to go there. R2 and then F2, and then we're going to do extra D. Swapping algorithm, undo them. And then you've got a YPerm, which is basically the swapping algorithm. Well, you can put it that way, but actually you could just, yeah. So then we've got M. This needs to go there. Ignore what I just said about YPerm, because you could just do a YPerm, but basically this exact same thing I'm just about to tell you is the same. So this needs to go there. So you can just put it down, swapping algorithm, and then undo that. Now here are the easiest cases, which are the 2 easiest cases. If you get this, just do a soon, and then a U2. And if you get anti-soon, do the same thing. You could, the algorithm is R prime. Oh, actually, it's basically doing this. And then U2. So yeah. Now those are all the cases. Try learn those. Are actually really easy cases to remember. But yeah. Now the example solve. So have green in front of you with white face on top, and let's do this algorithm. R, U, F prime, R2, U prime, R2, U, R, U prime, R. Okay,